Hey everyone, it's Bailey with Twiddy and Company here at ER001, Leave It at the Door, on March the 14th with a construction update to show you the progress, how quickly it's coming along. Should be open by middle of June. Let's go take a look. Stepping onto the second floor oceanfront deck. Some great views, large deck area, which does wrap around over to the other side. Down below will be the pool. View from the third floor oceanfront deck. Now we're over the ocean pool, large deck area.
What's that?
I'll show you that fireplace. Opens up to the living room. On the other side, level 3 master bedroom. In the bathroom here. Nice tiled shower. Plenty of space, huge bathroom. Fireplace there opening up to the bedroom. Be able to see views of the sound out the window here.